I've completely finished welding the rocker panel and the floor pan in on the driver's side. I've got a little bit of gap here because the cab is sagging. I'll have to jack it up to put the bolt in, and the bolt hole doesn't line up, but it will. Got a nice gap along the bottom here. And I have a nice gap at the back here. The door opens easily. There's my floor pan and rocker all welded in. The door shuts easily. I didn't need to slam it like that. It actually shuts very easily. Just to show you here how easy it is to latch. Nice and smooth fit there. Now we'll go to the other side that's in progress. I haven't put the floor pan or the rocker in on this side. I've got the V-Vor air jack holding up the front of the cab there. And I've got a come along holding it in place to where it can't move. So I'm ready to put in the floor pan after I trim it up and get it to fit. And as you can see here, the door fits like a dream. Opens and shuts very easily. Watch this latch. Nothing to it the way we do it. Good and tight. So now I will weld in my floor pan and then move on to the cab mounts. So please touch my like thingy and subscribe, damn it!